Hello everybody, this is Eric Regit 505. So a lot of you was asking why I'm not posting videos of the guns or anything else. This is because I'm busy building an aircraft. This is a Hummel ultracruiser. It's an ultralight that it's all aluminum actually, and it's really cool. I'm just working right now here on the fairing. It's a planned build, so you get papers, you have to make carbon template to whatever you want, and then you set it up all together. It's gonna look like almost like a P-51 Mustang. It's kind of all polished right now. The windshield is clear underneath it. This is just scratch remover, and then I just did a fairing gear also for the windshield. And let's go and show you like a little bit inside. So this is the seat. I made the seat for it. This is the gauge cluster. Inside, there is some argument that this will make the airplane illegal and heavy, but then I solved the problem big time. I'm gonna show you what I did. It's pretty clever. The airplane is all kind of nice and shiny. The elevator stabilator is not there yet because I was polishing it, so it was needed to be out. So here is where I save tons of weight that made this airplane back to the legal FAA requirement. So I 3D printed a wheel that actually worked pretty good, and this is rubber, and it's with a great shock absorber. Before, what you needed to use was something like this. So this entire contraption that go on the back, in gram it's easier to calculate than ounces. This is about 500 grams or something like that. Okay, this is 500 grams. So 500 grams is 1 pound. This is, everything together, is 113 grams. So this is weigh fifth of that. So this is where all the weight that I needed to get rid of, and this is very important because I got rid of a lot of weight on the tail of the airplane, on the very far aft, that this is where you don't want your airplane to be heavy. Let's go from this side. Then you have to build this makeshift holder for it and to put it on. This is the bolts that's going to hold it here, like the elevator stabilator. People call it different things. This is why I'm saying both names. And those are the other side fairing right now. And now I need to make the leading edge over here, so this is going to continue running all the way, so it's covering it. So you see how it's kind of flowing really nice, look like a porcupine, and it's going to go all the way there. And then the inside, move the chair, and this is the inside. Zoom in. Okay, so my airplane is getting good progress on it right now. I have a big mess over here, I know. Go try to work on your own airplane, see how much mess you're going to get. Now this is the rudder on it, vertical stabilizer, and let's go here. Again, this is reinforcement for the elevator, and again this is the front fairing. Now it's very dirty because it's oily for my hands. What's going on is I polished already everything, and then I use on everything SPS 50 to actually take corrosion out. So I did some testing, and it seems to be that it's better to do that after you polish your airplane, because you're removing most of the dirt, and then the corrosion resistance material work much better. It's so hard for the camera to even focus on it because it looks like a mirror right now. That's it. So this is what I was doing in the last couple months, and the motor is here. It's a half VW, so you take his VW engine, cut it into two, have only 2 cylinders instead of 4, and you have a propeller, wood propeller for it, and then you make it fly. So this is what it is. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And when people ask me, oh yeah, you're doing model airplane, it's a big model airplane. No, it's an airplane that you sit inside and fly. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. We're probably going to be flying it in the next like 4 months, I believe. Bye.